After installing Ubuntu 20.04 with patch 1 on my XPS 13 9365, some updates were installed, and after the updates, what essentially happened was my system got stuck on the Dell Ubuntu splash screen with this white spinner, and this white spinner just keeps spinning and the system basically gets stuck on the screen. So in order to get around this, what I had to do was hold down the power button for 30 seconds and force power down the system. And then as I powered up the system again, I needed to press escape, and this takes you to the grub menu. So select advanced options for Ubuntu and then select the latest kernel but with the recovery mode, and you'll get a black screen with white writing. To the top you should get information saying that you've got a UEFI boot with secure boot enabled, and then you should access the recovery options. So the first thing you want to select is dkpg, and this essentially checks for broken packages and pending packages. So select yes, and if prompted, type in Y and then press enter. Okay, so it should fix all the broken packages and install the pending packages. So once it's done, press enter and you'll return back to the recovery options menu. The next thing you want to select is grub. So this will update the grub bootloader. And once again, to finish, press enter. Okay, so you'll now be back on the recovery menu. Highlight resume and press enter. And then press enter again. And now, hopefully your system should boot normally. In the case of my XPS 13 9365, the system booted normally. And I was taken back to the login screen and I could use Ubuntu normally. Now apparently there are some additional issues, and these are associated with the NVIDIA driver. Now my system doesn't have the NVIDIA graphics, so I can't test this out, but basically you once again go back into the advanced boot options and back into recovery mode, and this will take you back to the recovery menu, and this time you want to highlight root and press enter, and this will drop you to the root shell prompt. So this will display at the bottom, and you need to press enter once again to enter the shell prompt, and this will allow you to type in commands. So you should type in sudo superuser do and then space su, which stands for switch user. So you want to switch to the super user, and then Dell has an article outlining what commands to type in for the NVIDIA graphics. So follow their instructions, typing in these commands, and hopefully it should resolve your boot issue. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to press Ctrl and D to exit the shell prompt, and then once again you can go up and select resume, and hopefully you should boot normally. And one other thing I noticed with regards to this black screen and white spinner is that the Thunderbolt TEB16 Dell dock seems to result in this issue if you boot Ubuntu 20.04 with the system plugged into the dock. So you should remove the dock when booting, and once the laptop has booted, then you can use the dock as normal. So this seems to be a firmware issue with the dock. Now the TB16 dock had multiple issues, and Dell basically discontinued it, replacing it with the WD19 TB dock. And they list this dock as Linux compatible, but they don't list the TB16 dock as Linux compatible. So my guess is that this dock probably won't get a firmware update, and this boot issue with Ubuntu probably won't be resolved. You can use the dock once the system has booted, and it will work normally, however. And this dock doesn't have an issue when booting to Windows 10. It seems to be a Linux specific issue.